So check this action out right here at the end of Newport Avenue, right near the OB Pier. I'm actually down here on Newport Avenue here in OB, and they have a really cool street fair going on. So check this out. This is Newport Avenue. This is like right down the middle of it. I just came from right there at Sunset Cliffs, and this is they have the street blocked off here. So let's go check this out. Now I just found this out the other day. Now it's actually over at the San Diego County Fair, which Del Mar Fair, on Wednesday, and now here it is Saturday. I'm over here, so pretty cool. A lot of folks here. See if I can get around and see some really cool stuff. So a lot of street vendor action going on here, which is always cool to see. You never know what to expect right here. We got barbecue. Let's check this barbecue out right here. Look at this. Look at this stuff, man. It's awesomeness. Look at that chicken. Ooh, Thai street food. Look at this. Wow. And see, Turkish grill. That looks pretty good. Right here. Right by this cookie place right here. See, this is called Cookies and Brownies. It doesn't really have a name, but check these cookies out right here. Look at this. Let's see, red velvet, pistachio, peanut butter. So there you go, man. That's not bad right there. See all those cookies? Man, it's kind of like the San Diego County Fair up there in Del Mar. Kind of like a mixture of food. Let's see. Oh, Cookies Brazil. This is what's called Cookies Brazil. Check this out. Are they really? Really? How much for one cookie?
It depends. It's 6, 7.
Okay, I'll be back. I just got here. I'm going to come back. Thank you very much. I'm a vlogger, so I'll see you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm going to come back to that cookie place. Very nice here. Like Newport Avenue is like the main avenue here in OB. See, you're coming up to Cable Street here, Cable and Newport. So crossing the street, obviously the street is closed. Look at this.
Not bad, and then he picked up yours because that about the handle. I'm like, bro, this is like my first cup.
I just like how they just close it off, you know what I mean? So they got it going down a little bit down Cable that way, so I'll check that out coming back. There's the joint. Now I actually did a video here about 3 weeks ago, but it was really cloudy and stuff, so it wasn't that good. But it's really nice out today, so maybe I'll get some beach scenes while I'm at it. So. Watch where I'm walking. OB is kind of like the, what you call a hippie town. It's really cool. Really laid back here. And they got some really historical areas here. Tarot reading. I think I've seen that before. I saw it down at Seaport Village, and it was also at the San Diego County Fair. So they have it just about everywhere. You get 45 bucks, 50 bucks, you get your palm red. This is Summer Camp BOGO.
Yeah, of course. We'll see you guys later.
Whatever that is. Look at that, man. Whoa! And these are, you know, electric bikes are like exploding around here. I wouldn't mind owning one myself. I mean, seems like to be the deal. You can get around. I had to park a quarter of a mile away from here. So continuing my walk, and thank you very much for following me along. You know, if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. I go to a lot of places. I'm getting ready for a big travel coming up here to Southeast Asia next month, and I'm looking forward to that. Look at this. More cookie action right here. Popcorn. Kettle corn, love that stuff. Certainly a lot more activity than when I came down here like 3 weeks ago. I mean, that was during the week though. I mean, nothing's going on like on the middle of the week. This is Saturday, so lots of activity. And let's check this food out. This right here, this is Philly cheesesteak, man. Look at that. Look at this. That is really cool. Look at that. That's some good food, man. I gotta probably stop by and eat here pretty soon. Let's see, they got carne asada fries, cheesy bacon fries, Portuguese Hawaiian sausage. Man, that looks good. Gotta keep going though. I'll stop later maybe. So this guy's cooking right here on the street. Check this out. Look at this. Look at that chicken, man. That looks good. I don't know what kind of chicken it is, but it looks really good. Look at that. Wendy's. Yeah. Look at this, man. Look at this stuff, man. Surf and turf cotton. That looks good. Yeah, chili tri-tip. Woo, man. Wow. Philly cheesesteak. So this is what we're looking at. Classic Philly, 12 bucks. Philly bomb, 13 bucks. Head down this way. How's the towel? This is like a really cool place right here. I think I pronounced it right. Gyros. Yeah, man. Look at that gyro right there. This is Greek food. Look at that one. Look at that. Nice. We got pizza right here. Fat Boys Pizza right here. Look at that. Yeah, obviously this is a display slice, but look at that. This is right here from this one right here, Fat Boys. Giant slices, and that's what we're gonna get. Oh yeah, back to the pretzels, man. Really cool, man. I saw a lot of good ones for 10 bucks a pretzel. Look at those jumbos, man. But you know what? I guess you can get, no, go ahead. I guess you can get any one you want. Well, let's see. More and more. Very cool. Got some more going on down here. Keep going. It's kind of the beginning right here. You go to each one of these vendors right here. This is where the chili cook-off is. So I'm going to take a walk through the crowd and check this out. I don't actually have a ticket, but maybe I can go take a look. Because the line is actually very long to get a ticket to get sample. So
Are you in line for this one?
maybe I can get through.
The one next to it doesn't have any.
This is what it looks like for the chili sample section. Very long, and I don't even know which line it is. You get these little plastic things. I guess it's unlimited. It's 25 bucks if you want to buy one of these things. But the line is so long, I figured maybe I'll try later. I'm not sure. But this is it. I'm just weaving my way through. But I'll take a look over here. So that's what you get right here. If you actually get, this is team number 18. Right
American
there.
Builders, spiciest chili in town.
Oh, I already know. So this is the American.
Good already, no bad already.
I know, some secret information. There it is right there. Look at that. See that? I kind of snuck into that one. I don't have a ticket, so I can't get a sample. But giving the samples out. That right there, man.
Thank you, Ethan. You're so sweet.
So I'm just weaving my way around the chili cook-off area. Nachos right here. Check this out. Look at this. What you can get here. Yep. Obviously you're cooking them right there on the grill. Look at that. Wow. Awesomeness. Right here. Pretty cool. Look at this. She's stacking it right there. Look at that. Yeah. Over there. Awesomeness. Perfecto. Look at that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Now check this out. This is the beef gyro. So we're gonna go check this one out. Very good. So check this out, right? This is my green gyro, which is beef. Look at that. I mean, I passed that place like 3 times, and I said, that's it right there. So I got the best view, which is right here in front of OB Pier. It's really hard to find a place to sit. So it's kind of right here at the end of Newport, and there is my view for lunch. So very cool. And now it is time to eat. So this is the end of this video here at OB. Now to go back and edit this video, and hopefully I can get it up pretty quick. Coming back up here to Sunset Cliff Boulevard, that's actually where it starts at. And I'm gonna head home, but check this out. They just set this stage up. This is right here. Very cool. And I'll see you guys later.